A company sells detergent in 3 different size boxes: small, medium, and large. The medium size costs 50% more than the small size and contains 20% less detergent than the large size. The large size contains twice as much detergent as the small size and costs 30% more than the medium size. Rank the 3 sizes from best to worst buy. So from given we have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. And from these sizes we can let the price of S be X since it's not given. Price is going to be X, and then the size, like the size of the box, can be D, like how much detergent is in each size. And from here we have the medium size costs 50% more than the small size. So if it's costing 50% more than of X, then we're adding a 50% to 100% since that's the normal price. So it's going to be 150% of X. And it says it contains 20% less detergent than the large size. So we don't know that yet, so we'll put it as blank for now. And then for the large size, it says the large size contains twice as much detergent as the small size. And we said that D was how much the small size contained, so it's going to be 2D. And since we know this one, we can go back to medium size, which said it contains 20% less detergent than the large size. So if it's 20% less detergent, 20% less, then it's going to be 80% remaining. 80% remaining, so 80% of D, or 2D from the large size. And then the large size, it says it costs 30% more than the medium size. So the large size costs 30% more than the medium size. So from here we have the medium size, and it's going to be 30% more. So to calculate how much more, it's going to be 30% of 50 of 100 of X, since that's the how much more it's going to get from, and that's the how much more plus the original. That's the original. Now if we simplify this table over here, then we get price and amount, and I'll change this to amount since it's more accurate. Amount, and that's X, that's D. 150% of X is going to be 1.5X. 80% times 2D is going to be 1.6D. Large size, if we calculate this, it's going to be 3.12X, and D is going to be 2D. That's 1.95X and 2D. And then from here, since we need to compare how much amount, and we need to compare with the common value, so we're going to scale these up and find the LCM, which is going to be 1.6 times 2, and that's 3.2. So we need to compare it at an equal amount so we can see how much each costs to be fair. Now if we scale it up by this one, we will scale that by 3.2, so it's 3.2D, and 3.2 times 1x is 3.2x, and 3.2, so it's scaled up 2 times, so 3.2D and 3.0x, and this one is scaled up by 1.6, so times 1.6 is 3.2D, and 3.12x. Since we have a common base that we can compare with, we're going to rank these 3 sizes from best to worst buy. So the best buy is going to be the lowest cost from these 3, which is going to be the medium, and then the next lowest is large, and the biggest is small, so it's going to be medium, large, small, and that is E.